Hello and welcome to my channel where I share with you my passion of cooking and travel. Today's recipe what I'm cooking is a gift from my colleague, a chef. He is from Greek, the guy. His name is Panu, and today I'm sharing his recipe. So I'm doing a Greek style chicken leg, but I'm doing in a healthy way. Normally Greek use oil, I don't use oil. So I'm doing in a healthy way, and I'm doing with cauliflower rice, so it's more healthy. And if you are in keto diet also, you can follow this keto diet and you can have the cauliflower rice. So I'm making this. For doing this you need one marination for the chicken, so I'll show you the marination, please. So here I have to use a jar. So I have lemon skin. So I'll put some lemon skin here, and I have some garlic. So, and I have a chicken cube stock, whatever you say. And then I'll put some fresh lemon juice also. So I'll put some fresh lemon juice. It's a very nice recipe from my friend Panu. So we were together, we were chef. We were in Marine Plus, and I think in Kempinski we were together. And so I'll put some mustard here. So I'll have the mustard. I'll put a little bit of mustard. So, okay. And I have some thymian. So I'll put some thymian also. Time, and I'll put some water. So I'm not using any oil, so I'll put some water. Normally you can put olive oil also, or normal oil. So now I'll mix it. Done. Put some little bit of, that's nice. Oh, the smell is very nice. So I'll put a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Mix it a little bit again. So now I will, here I have chicken leg. So I'll put this chicken leg here. So this is my chicken leg. So I'll put a little bit, so the marination goes inside. So normally you need to keep this marination for minimum 4 hours. If you put overnight, it's very good also, but minimum 4 hours you need to put this. So I'll put the marination, I'll keep it, and then after that I will I have here my healthy Philip no oil air fryer. So I will grill this after 4 hours. I grill this in 180, normally 160. No, I think 180 will be do. And then for the chicken also I have a program. You can do it for 8 minutes, 10 minutes, and then I'll grill around 10 to 12 minutes, and we'll see. We'll check then. So my chicken is going to be ready. So in 3 minutes I think my chicken will be ready here. And then now we start with the cauliflower rice. So for the cauliflower rice we need onion. I have some onion. I'll put some onion. And I have some garlic also. saute a little bit. You know, I'm not using any oil, so it's healthy. Just to saute a little bit more. You know, you just need to, you know, soften the onion. You don't need to brown it. And just like this. Then I have some green onion here. I'll put that also here. And then I'll put the cauliflower rice. So like cauliflower, I have grated it. So it's look like rice now. It's very healthy and very tasty also. So just a little bit, you know, cook it. Here I have the curry powder. So I'll put some curry powder inside. Now I'll mix it everything, and then I put a little bit of water, just a dash of water, not too much water. So I'll put a little bit of water. So I'll sprinkle it, you know. Just a little bit, and the aroma is very, very nice also. Yummy. You know. Just more a little bit, and then I'll cover this and I'll steam it for 5-6 minutes, and I'll see, check that. So my cauliflower rice is ready, so I'll give a little bit of taste, you know. Yummy. And the chicken is ready also. So now we'll plate this, and I will show you the plating now. So we put the cauliflower rice here. Here, and then we put the chicken here. So half a chicken here. Here, and I have some basil. So we tear this, because basil you don't need to cut with knife. And then we put some lemon juice. I have some lemon juice here. And then I have the chili salt. And some. So there you are. This is healthy version of Greek chicken with cauliflower rice, and I give thank you to my friend Panu to share with me this recipe of his Greek original recipe, and I hope you try this recipe also, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button so you get the notified for my next video. Thank you very much. See you. Bye bye.